Hi, good evening. This is Irfan, your clarity coach, and today I'm going to talk to you about a concept called work life balance. Yes, you heard me right. Concept called work life balance. Now, during my coaching as well, I always come across a lot of people saying, I don't have a work life balance. There's so much work going on. To begin with, let me help you understand. I never even understood this concept of work life and personal life balance. You know why? Because I had no reference, because I used to travel, I used to work abroad, and I used to be away from my family for 3 to 4 months, come back home and then spend at a stretch 3 to 4 months with them, right? So I did not have this understanding of what we are talking about from the corporate world perspective, right? Now I started digging more when I heard from some of my friends. When I used to come back in holidays, I used to listen to other people. They say, oh yeah, there's so much going on, time nahi hai, we don't have the time, we don't have the time to do this, to do that. And I started digging deep, and in the process I spoke to one of my friend, and he was telling me that he's a very ambitious guy. He really wants to work and move forward and all those things, but at the same time he really values his family as well. Now he told me that there are companies and people who invest in this training and guidance of this work-life balance concept as well. And funny, because he actually once attended this work-life balance training organized by his company, his own company, and when he came out of the training, at the end of the day, towards the end, he spoke to his manager, and his manager gave him a pile of work saying, this is important, this needs to be done today. So what the hell, right? You just came out of a work-life balance, the personal life is important, give time and all those things, and then you're given this whole work, right? So if a person is operating at a certain level, at an average level, if things are going fine, routine is set, you may say, it exists. But how about people like my friend who's ambitious, who really wants to go out and do things? He can't say no to those work, but at the same time he needs to prioritize his family too, right? What I realized, there could be a small shift in your mind. I call it the shift your anchor process, which I did for myself first, because I was seeking certain answers from my life, from my perspective, and it completely changed. I did the same thing with my friend, and he realized the importance, because you don't have to be stuck in the old concept of notion of this work and personal life balance. There are newer ways and better ways to do things. That is exactly what I found. So that was one of my core breakthrough as well when I help people. So if you are struggling, if you are looking for this work-life balance, there are newer ways to do things on this front. So reach out, try to figure out what can be done by shifting your anchor to possibilities, because a lot of people, the beginning is that they are stuck, they have accepted it, that's how it is, that's how it's going to be. So we need to shift that anchor first to possibilities, rather than accepting it that this is how it's going to be. Hope you got some value, and I'll see you when I see you. Take care, all the best. Bye bye.